What is up, guys? Hope you guys enjoyed that little time lapse. But the closet is gone. As sad as I am to say, as much work as it was to get it set up, it is now gone. You know, weird paint, everything looks really weird. But I'll get it fixed up, I'll get it patched up, looking good. But the closet just wasn't doing it. Temperatures are too out of whack, so I'm happy with this solution. It doesn't bother me too much with sound or anything, because I usually have my headphones on at my computer and it stays pretty quiet. So I have this thing auto-tuning for the best efficiency, and it's just mining away Bitcoin. So, and I hope to add more ASIC miners to it as time goes on, of course. I don't want just an S19, I want an S19K Pro. I want to get another Kaspa ASIC, because all I have is that little one right there. So I want to get more ASIC miners, and this will just have to do. The S19, of course, is going to be very loud. There's no doubt about it, it's going to be loud. So just got to let that go. I don't really hear it too much outside of my room or my office here. And if it does become an issue, instead of insulating the walls like this, I'm just going to get insulated foam or padded foam just to kind of hang on the walls to help with the sound. But right now, not a big deal for me. This kind of works as like an intake exhaust at the same time. Air is coming in through there and going out at the same time. So it stays pretty decent in here. Doesn't get too hot, doesn't get too noisy. And hopefully with the closet gone, this thing will kind of quiet down a little bit. But yeah, so closet's gone. It was a lot of work to take it down. I hope you guys enjoyed that little time lapse. I was very irritated the whole time, but oh well. I'll see you guys in the next video. Peace out.